Most people are terrified of being forgotten. They post every meal, every workout, and every deep thought because they're starving for validation. They think being seen is power. They're wrong. Being seen makes you a target. Being forgotten, that makes you a ghost. And you can't hit what isn't there. Look at the people around you. They're leaking energy. When they're angry, the world knows. When they're in love, the world knows. When they're hurting, they scream it into the void of social media. They think they're being real, but all they're doing is handing out the blueprint to their own destruction. They're predictable. And in a world that eats the predictable for breakfast, that's a death sentence. I don't move like that. I don't want your likes, and I definitely don't want your attention. While you're busy building a brand, I'm busy building a fortress. People call it being cold or distant. I call it strategic detachment. You see, when you stop trying to be understood, you gain a superpower, clarity. While they're yelling to be heard, I'm listening to what they aren't saying. While they're reacting to the bait I laid out 3 steps ago, I'm already finishing the game. Mastering your silence isn't about hiding, it's about control. Suppression is a bomb waiting to go off. Detachment is watching the storm from behind bulletproof glass. You feel the sting of an insult? Good. Observe it. Don't bark back. Store that energy. Use it to fuel the work they don't see you doing. The strongest version of you isn't the one who wins the argument. It's the one who didn't feel the need to join it in the first place. Move like a shadow. Strike like a ghost. Leave no fingerprints. Let them think you're average. Let them think you've given up. Let them believe they've figured you out. Their arrogance is your greatest ally. Because the moment they think they've won is the exact moment you've already dismantled everything they built. The world is loud, but the winners are quiet. If you're ready to stop being a pawn and start being the player they never saw coming, prove it. Don't just like this video, understand it. Comment, calculated silence. Let the others wonder what it means. We know. Stay unreadable. Stay untouchable. The game is just beginning.